Hey guys, so today I'm going to wash my duvet. This is a thrift duvet. It is 6 by 6, very big. Those who wants to know whether this machine can wash the fluffy duvet. Those who wants to know if the machine can wash the fluffy duvet. Of course it can. This is 15 kg. It can wash. To me it can wash. This is the tank, the drum. It's very big. The drum is very big, 15 kg. It can wash the 6 by 6. So if you want to go for this type of machine, top load, go and check the drum first, my dear. Go pale kwa ground, go and check the drum. If the drum is big, macho yako inakwambia it is very big enough, this one is 15 kg, it can wash my duvet very perfect. So first I'm going to put the detergent in the drum. Usiweke kwa nguo, italeta ile white, the white lint, ama ita stack hapo. Rinsing it will not be correct. So first I'm going to put the detergent in my drum. Let me bring the detergent of your choice. Okay. This cameraman, this camera child, niko namfunza kutumia camera, so to remind, detergent of your choice. We put detergent inside the drum. Sawa sawa, inside the drum. Alafu this duvet of mine ilikuwa na stain. Kuna stain, nitawaonyesha. There is a stain. I will show you how I got rid of the stain. I will show you. There is a video. I will mount, or I will overlay in this particular video. Then you will see how I got rid of that stain. So let me open the tap. I want to use the other setting of it will wash slowly. I'm going to long press here. You long press the start button. Yeah, it's D7. So D7, it will go to D7, DC, DB, DA, and then it will calculate how long it will take to wash that particular load. So I'm going to measure my water level here. The default is 8, stucky 8, because 8 it is way too much. I'm going to use, let me use 4 water level. Then let's see. Let's start. Tuone. This duvet is very big. Ni kubwa, 6 by 6. You see, I just press in the back. Press in the back. That 4 water level will do. This is 4 water level. 4 water level. You can see.